Hey guys, it's Joel with Interactive Trader here with Bryan from Interactive Trader. And the topic for today is trading gone well. It's been a really exciting topic. And what I want to do is I want to ask Bryan a question. What do you do when a trade goes absolutely hilariously right?
Absolutely right. You mean like Tesla, for instance?
Yeah. What if you bought calls on Tesla?
Well, first of all, I think that would make me a genius. Is that correct?
Absolutely. Because you saw the future.
Right.
Right. No, here's the reality. Nobody knows the future. Now, what you did well, if you were one of these people who'd bought calls on Tesla and Tesla's just gone to the moon, if you hadn't been paying attention, what you did well was you spotted an opportunity. You were in the right place at the right time, and you knew how to take advantage of that opportunity. But no, it does not mean you're a genius because you still didn't know Tesla was going to do that.
Okay. So I'm not a genius. I'm just really lucky. If it's me, I guess I'm really lucky. If it's you, you just happen to be following your rules. Is that what you're saying? All right. So what do I do then? I'm in the trade. I'm not in the trade. But if I was in the trade, what's my next step? Where do I go from here?
Well, hopefully you've been rolling, right? Hopefully you've been rolling your options, taking profits off the table, not just letting your position size get enormous, right?
If you're in Tesla and you don't know how to roll, call us. We'll show you.
Yes, please call us and allow us to educate you on that. The number one thing is controlling risk, right? That's really what it comes down to in trading. You've got to control your risk. Now, the temptation in Tesla right now, if you've been in it, is going to be, oh my gosh, I'm making tons of money. I've got all this extra money now. Maybe I should buy twice as many contracts.
There we go. Jump into a trade out of pure excitement and add to the position with no rules whatsoever. I don't know. I think I might pass on that one. Sounds like a bad idea.
So Tesla has been absolutely...
No buy, sell, or hold recommendations, but I don't like to double down on a position for excitement reasons.
Yeah, and we see that every now and then. Somebody has one go really right, and so instead of putting that money in their pocket, they double down on the trade, and then they triple down, and they quadruple down, and you never know when the train ride is going to end. Now, Tesla might go up to $7,000 a share, or it might go down to 700 tomorrow. It's crazy. We have no idea. Just remember, rule number one is control your risk, and let the profits take care of themselves. All right, so Bryan, I got another question for you.
Yes.
I was not in the Tesla trade. I was not fortunate enough to see that Tesla was going to double its value in a month.
You're not a genius.
I am apparently not a genius. I didn't know it was going to go up. And man, I really want to get in though. But ooh, is there room in this for it to keep running?
Is there room for it? It sounds like you're suffering from a little bit of FOMO there.
FOMO?
Fear of missing out.
Ooh.
Remember when you bought all those Beanie Babies? You were last in line with that. That did not work out. Everybody was talking about them. Everybody said they were going to sell for more money. You're stuck with that pile. I'm going to go back to the same thing you basically just told me. If you're going to jump into something like Tesla, make sure you got your risk controlled. Make sure it fits your rules. Don't do it because you fear missing out. Do it because it meets your rules, meets your criteria, and everything looks good to go. And when you do, control your risk. Because again, we don't know the future. And at some point, there's going to be a little bit of selling. And then you'll have another type of fear, like how you're going to explain that all to your wife, right? So we got to be careful. We got to look out for those. What do you think?
So basically the same rules apply whether I was already in Tesla or not.
I think so.
Okay. So control your risk, position size properly, be aware of all of the potential risks and all of the rewards in your trade. Have fun and make money.
Absolutely.
Thanks, guys. Take care.